Hi, so let's make her a story. May na tayong story dito, dalawa. The girl and the fake friend. So let's make another one. So like that. So guys, they take apple to like to share. Let's go. That's all the story I wrote. The Little Monkey. There was a monkey named Lisha. Lisha is so selfish. She has a rich mom and dad. Lisha has a bad attitude. The mother of Lisha is died in sick. Dad is dead in stroke. Lisha left behind. So Lisha has been nice and now she has a husband that protect her. Lisha the monkey has 5 children. The children was so selfish. Lisha teaches child, don't be a selfish. The